How to buy MariCoin token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Also, check the Telegram channel too. So if you go to their X account, as you can see, you will be able to see this post on LBANK. They said here that this token, it's on airdrop and the February, between the 17th February until 24 February on 10 a.m. This token will be available for trading. So as you can see, 400 lucky winners shared 4,000 in MariCoin. Follow the LBANK exchange, as you can see here. Follow, or make sure to follow this instruction to be able to enjoy join this airdrop. So until that date, this token will be available on LBANK for trade. So stay tuned until that date to be able to buy this token. So if you don't have an account on LBANK, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on LBANK and fund it with some USDT. So this is how to buy the MariCoin token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.